Let me show you something crazy, yet very easy to do. This is one of my Facebook page's backend, and in the last 27 days. Again, in just 27 days, I did over 10 million views just on this page alone. The date stamp is right there, January 31st to February 27th, 2026. And the crazy part is I don't speak Spanish at all, but this page, which is in the Spanish relationship niche, still pulled in over 10 million views, which translated into daily sales. Let me refresh the analytics again for you to see. 10.9 million views. Almost 11 million. I will show you the exact videos posted on this page later on in this video. Now let me also show you my earnings on one of my Gumroad stores for this year. Mind you, it's March 1st, 2026 as of the recording of this video. $26,474. Let me go ahead and refresh it again. $26,474. That means this store has pulled in $13,000 plus monthly since January 1st, 2026 till date. I create PDFs once using AI, and they sell over and over again. The same AI also creates my video avatar narrating my videos, just like this one you are watching right now, helping me automate my content, saving time and effort. So make sure to stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing one of the powerful traffic methods I use to pull in PDF sales effortlessly. I will also put you on to a simple cheat code system to start a high-profit PDF business as soon as today. No experience needed, no physical products, no inventory, no complicated tech stack, just digital documents that solve very specific emotional problems. And what's crazy is this. Once a PDF is created and positioned correctly, it can sell over and over again with zero additional effort. Most people think PDFs are boring. I see them as scalable digital assets. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how one specific niche is quietly generating massive traffic and turning that attention into predictable income. Let me explain exactly what I did and why this works so well. This time we're talking about the women's relationship niche, specifically Spanish-speaking women dealing with love, breakups, attachment, emotional healing, and feminine psychology. If you've ever scrolled through YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you've probably seen this style of content. Short emotional statements like, Si él te ama, no te confunde. Una mujer segura no persigue. El silencio también es una respuesta. These shorts rack up hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions, of views. And when you read the comments, you see deep emotional engagement, women tagging friends, sharing stories, reacting with strong emotion. That tells you something critical. This isn't casual entertainment. This is emotional validation content. And emotional niches convert extremely well into digital products. Now here's where we switch it up. Most people would just keep posting on YouTube Shorts, but I take that same concept and move it to Facebook Reels. Why? Because if it works on YouTube Shorts, it can work even better on Facebook Reels, especially in the Spanish relationship niche. Here's why. First, Facebook's audience demographic skews slightly older than YouTube Shorts and TikTok. That matters. Older audiences tend to have stronger emotional buying power. They're more likely to purchase a $17 or $27 guide about relationships, healing, or self-worth. Second, Facebook's algorithm heavily rewards shareable, emotional content. Relationship quotes and psychological triggers spread extremely fast inside Facebook's ecosystem because people share them into groups, DMs, and personal profiles. Third, competition on Facebook Reels, especially in Spanish self-development and relationship content, is still lower compared to TikTok and YouTube Shorts. That means organic reach is often easier to capture. And I've tested this personally. Like I showed at the start of this video, one of my Spanish women's relationship pages has generated over 10 million views in the last 27 days using nothing but short-form emotional reels. No paid ads pushing the content, just strategic hooks, looping videos, and consistent uploads. The format is simple, 5 to 8 seconds. A soft, emotionally resonant background, maybe a subtle cinematic clip of a woman walking alone or abstract moving light patterns. Then bold Spanish text like, Deja de rogar amor. Si no te elige, ya eligió. No estás perdiendo a un hombre, estás ganando paz. Now, you don't need to be a Spanish speaker to make these videos. In fact, I don't even know more than 3 words of Spanish. ChatGPT can do it all for you. All you have to do is paste these examples I gave and give it this prompt. Based on these examples, give me 20 more Spanish texts like these in the women's relationship niche, specifically Spanish-speaking women dealing with love, breakups, attachment, emotional healing, and feminine psychology for short emotional statements. These texts and a catchy background video are all you need to make these videos that rack up a lot of views. Now, you don't need to shoot real videos or hire anyone to make these videos for you. You can do everything with one simple, powerful tool, which has been one of my secret weapons: Kittl. With Kittl, you can create catchy AI videos that drive views and conversion. By using Kittl, you get the speed of AI creation, as well as the full creative control with the editor that no other platform can offer to finalize your videos. I will teach you the step-by-step, easy process to do this with Kittl. First, you need a base image to create your own AI image. Just go to Pinterest and search women relationship niche, then take a screenshot of an image you like. This is an AI image as well. Head over to Kittl, select Start with AI, upload the image, and give it this prompt, using this image as reference. Create a different-looking woman in 9:16 aspect ratio with 1080 by 1920 pixels resolution. Hit Generate. In just a few seconds, I have my own brand new AI images of models which I can use to create my own viral videos. You can clearly see how seamless Kittl is as a tool. AI starts the process. Then with the editor, you have full creative control to make tweaks and changes to your creation. With other tools, the process seems very rigid because AI will do the whole thing and give you the final result which you cannot make any edits or changes to. And a lot of times, there might be errors or tweaks you would want to make on your creation. But with Kittl, the whole process is flexible. AI helps you create, and you have the ability to edit and control what your final output will be like. So now that I have my own original images, I will have to turn them into short videos. All I have to do is click Generate Video and give it any prompt on how I want the video to come out. I'll give it this prompt, looking at the camera flirtatiously, then looking away. Hit Generate. In just a few minutes, I have a short video just like the ones that go viral and rack up views on social media, and it looks ultra realistic. Now I'm not done yet. The last step is to add text over the video, which is a crucial part of the videos getting views. Again, everything is being done on Kittl. All I have to do is click on the text button on the left-hand menu bar, click Add Headline. Now remember those bold Spanish texts I created earlier using ChatGPT. I just have to use each one for each video. For example, I will copy and paste this one, Deja de Rogar Amor. I will adjust the sizing and the text color, and I have my video ready to be posted. That's how very easy it is to make these videos in just a few minutes. With Kittl, you generate the media with AI, and you refine it in the editor. That's the trick to making and pumping out these viral videos in volume. Try Kittl yourself. With this strategy, the video ends quickly. Then it loops. Viewers rewatch to fully process the message. That replay rate sends a strong signal to the algorithm. Facebook pushes it to more women interested in relationships and emotional growth. Now here's where the monetization comes in. Instead of just posting quotes for engagement, you build a structured solution behind it. For example, Guía de 21 días para recuperar tu energía femenina, or Manual para superar una ruptura sin perder tu valor. You create this PDF using ChatGPT, prompt it in Spanish. Crea una guía estructurada para mujeres que quieren superar una ruptura y reconstruir su autoestima. Incluye ejercicios diarios y reflexiones profundas. It generates the outline. You expand it, refine it. Keep it emotionally powerful but actionable. Then you design a clean, elegant cover, feminine colors, strong title, clear promise. Now you list it for sale. You can use Shopify if you want to build a branded relationship advice store, or Gumroad for simplicity and quick deployment. Upload the PDF. Write a compelling description focused on transformation, peace, confidence, emotional control. Price it appropriately. Then in your Facebook Reels description and pinned comment, you guide viewers to the link. Because here's the truth. This is a numbers game. If a reel gets 500,000 views, which is very realistic in this niche, and just 0.7% click your link, that's 3,500 visitors. If 3% purchase a $19 guide, that's 105 sales. That's $1,995 from one strong performing reel wave. And when your page is consistently pulling millions of views per month, like mine did with over 10 million in 27 days, the math compounds fast. You're not convincing women they have relationship problems. They already feel it. You're simply offering a structured path forward. That's the difference between random content creation and strategic digital product marketing. And this is exactly what I teach inside my program, the passive PDF method. I show you how to identify emotional niches that convert, how to structure high-converting guides using AI in any language, how to engineer short-form content for retention and shares, and how to funnel organic traffic into predictable daily sales, using never-exposed-before hidden traffic strategies and methods. Most people see viral reels and think views. I see infrastructure, because when you combine emotional demand, organic distribution on Facebook Reels, and a well-positioned digital guide, simple PDFs turn into scalable digital assets. The attention is already there. The audience is already emotional. The only question is whether you're going to scroll past it or build a system around it. There are so many hidden strategies and tricks we use for the PDF business that I can't fully cover here. Otherwise, it would turn into a full-blown course. And if you're sitting there thinking, okay, this is interesting, but I'd have no idea where to start, don't worry. I created the passive PDF method for people who want to learn how to set up their own PDF business without going through the trial and error phase. It's a private system where I walk you through everything step by step. Inside, I cover how to come up with PDF ideas, how to create them even if you have no art skills, how to build out your store for maximum conversion, and most importantly, the different traffic strategies, which I personally use that actually work, and lastly, how to put the process on repeat so your PDFs can continue selling in the background even while you're doing other things. You'll find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Of course, you can always just watch my free videos, take notes, and piece it together on your own. That works too. And honestly, most people don't even take the first step. So, if you do, you're already ahead of the curve. But if you want a shortcut and prefer to have everything laid out in a clear roadmap, then the passive PDF method is designed for you. It'll take you behind the scenes and show you how I run my own digital PDF business so you can model the same process. So, if you're ready to take action, hit the link in the description or pinned comment to get started. And remember, every day, new people are jumping into this and building their own PDF systems. I'll see you guys in the next video.